Gentlemen, as we cross the age of 60, many believe our peak energy is behind us. Society may whisper that vitality fades with age, but that is a misconception. In truth, the power to reclaim your energy, enhance your strength, and awaken a hidden vigor lies within you. It starts with understanding the natural cycles of your body. Energy is not just physical, it is mental, emotional, and spiritual. Recognizing how your body's rhythms shift after 60 is the first step toward harnessing your power. Sleep deeply, move consistently, and honor your body's needs. This awareness allows you to work with your energy, not against it. Nutrition plays a central role in this journey. What you fuel your body with determines your ability to perform, think clearly, and recover. Embrace foods rich in antioxidants, protein, and essential fats. Introduce natural boosters like ginseng, turmeric, or green tea into your routine. Hydration is non-negotiable. Your cells thrive on water, and your mind sharpens when well hydrated. Avoid processed foods that drain energy. Instead, focus on meals that restore strength and nurture vitality. Small, consistent changes create lasting impact. Mental clarity is your hidden reservoir of power. Many men over 60 experience memory lapses or mental fatigue, yet cognitive energy can be revived through targeted exercises. Engage in reading, puzzles, strategic games, or learning a new skill. Daily mindfulness or meditation practices reduce stress and improve focus. When your mind is alert, your confidence grows, and with it, your ability to act decisively and purposefully. Energy is not merely a physical trait. It is amplified by a sharp and resilient mind. Physical strength is equally essential. While heavy lifting may no longer be advisable, gentle yet effective exercises maintain muscle mass, flexibility, and cardiovascular health. Walking, swimming, yoga, and bodyweight routines stimulate circulation, strengthen the heart, and awaken dormant energy. Movement is not just for the body, it energizes the mind and fuels emotional resilience. Each step you take, each stretch you perform, sends a signal to your entire being. Power is alive, and it responds to action. Equally critical is emotional balance. Confidence, resilience, and self-belief are powerful fuels for energy. Men who nurture emotional strength navigate life's challenges without depleting their vitality. Stress management, positive thinking, and emotional awareness are not abstract concepts. They are practical tools to maintain energy and sustain power naturally. By mastering your emotions, you master your inner energy, becoming unstoppable in body and mind. Finally, daily rituals shape the life of a man who refuses to fade with age. Simple practices like morning stretching, cold showers, journaling, or deep breathing activate dormant energy. Consistency over time compounds results, creating a life that feels vibrant, purposeful, and full of power. Your energy is not a gift lost with age, it is a reservoir waiting to be unlocked. Through intentional habits, mindful living, and respect for your own vitality, men over 60 can tap into a hidden wellspring of energy that fuels not only the body, but the mind and spirit. Remember, age is not a barrier. Energy is a choice, cultivated through knowledge, discipline, and awareness. By embracing these practices, you step into a life where power, strength, and vitality are not only possible, they are inevitable. Your hidden energy is waiting. Unlock it naturally, honor it daily, and watch your life transform. Gentlemen, reaching the age of 60 is not the end of vitality. In fact, it is an opportunity to understand your body and mind on a deeper level and unlock energy you may have forgotten you possessed. After 60, the way your body produces and utilizes energy changes significantly. Hormonal shifts, changes in metabolism, and natural aging processes can make you feel slower, less focused, or easily fatigued. But these changes are not signs of inevitable decline. They are signals that your body needs new rhythms and routines to function optimally. The first step in unlocking your hidden power is understanding your energy cycle and learning to work with it rather than against it. Every individual has natural peaks and valleys of energy throughout the day, and as we age, recognizing these patterns becomes crucial. Some mornings may feel sluggish, while evenings might bring bursts of mental clarity. By observing your body's natural tendencies, you can schedule your most demanding physical or mental activities during times when your energy is at its highest. Sleep is a critical foundation for this energy cycle. Quality sleep is not just about duration, but about the rhythm and restorative nature of rest. Deep sleep allows your body to repair cells, regulate hormones, and recharge your mind. Men over 60 often experience lighter sleep or frequent awakenings, which can disrupt energy levels. Creating a sleep routine that prioritizes consistency, a dark and cool room, and limiting screens before bed allows your body to enter deeper, more restorative cycles of rest. Naps, if timed correctly, can also recharge your system without interfering with nighttime sleep. Nutrition is another key factor in understanding and optimizing your energy cycle. As metabolism slows, the timing and type of food you consume have a larger impact on how you feel throughout the day. Balanced meals with complex carbohydrates, lean proteins, and healthy fats provide sustained energy, while refined sugars or processed foods cause spikes followed by crashes, leaving you drained. Eating smaller, more frequent meals may help maintain stable energy levels, and including natural boosters such as green tea, nuts, and antioxidant-rich vegetables can enhance overall vitality. Hydration is equally essential. Even mild dehydration can lead to fatigue, dizziness, and mental fog. So drinking water regularly throughout the day is a simple yet powerful way to sustain energy. Movement and physical activity are also closely linked to your energy cycle. While high-intensity workouts may no longer be suitable for everyone, gentle exercises like walking, stretching, or yoga stimulate circulation, improve oxygen flow to muscles and the brain, and naturally elevate energy levels. Regular movement signals to your body that it is active and capable, boosting both physical stamina and mental alertness. Understanding your energy cycle also involves recognizing the connection between emotional state and vitality. Stress, anxiety, and unresolved emotions can drain energy faster than any physical exertion. At 60 and beyond, developing practices to manage stress, such as meditation, deep breathing, or even brief moments of reflection during the day, allows your energy to flow more freely. Your mind and emotions are intertwined with your physical state. By nurturing calm and balance, you conserve energy for what truly matters. Awareness of your energy patterns enables you to design a daily routine that aligns with your body's natural peaks. For instance, if your mornings are sluggish, use that time for gentle stretching or planning rather than mentally demanding tasks. Reserve high-focus work or creative endeavors for when your energy naturally rises. This alignment between your schedule and your energy cycle multiplies productivity while minimizing exhaustion. Another crucial aspect is accepting the changes that come with age. Resistance or frustration over slower recovery, reduced endurance, or changing hormone levels only wastes energy. By embracing your current stage of life with realistic expectations, you free mental and emotional energy for growth and improvement. Mindset plays a pivotal role in energy management. Seeing age as a phase of opportunity rather than limitation allows you to channel effort into strategies that restore vitality. Tracking your energy patterns can be as simple as maintaining a daily log of sleep, meals, activity, and mood. Over time, you begin to see correlations between what energizes you and what drains you. Adjusting your habits accordingly enables you to harness your full potential and maintain consistent energy throughout the day. Finally, consistency is the ultimate key. Short bursts of disciplined habits, like better sleep, movement, balanced nutrition, and emotional regulation, compound over time. The cumulative effect is a resilient, energetic body and a clear, alert mind. Men over 60 who master their energy cycle do more than maintain vitality. They awaken a hidden power that influences every aspect of life, from physical performance to mental clarity and emotional stability. Understanding your energy cycle is not a one-time effort, but an ongoing practice. With awareness, adaptation, and mindful care, the natural fluctuations of energy can become predictable, manageable, and even enjoyable. Each day becomes an opportunity to align your actions with your body's rhythm, to restore strength, and to feel the vigor that you might have believed was lost. Your energy is not gone, it has simply shifted. By observing, adapting, and respecting your body's natural cycles, you unlock a source of power that grows with age, allowing you to live with vitality, purpose, and renewed strength. Gentlemen, nutrition after 60 is not just about eating to survive, it is about fueling your body to thrive, restoring energy, and unlocking hidden power that many believe diminishes with age. As we age, our metabolism naturally slows down, muscle mass declines, and our bodies require fewer calories but higher quality nutrients to function optimally. What you eat directly impacts your stamina, mental clarity, and overall vitality, making it one of the most powerful tools in your hands. Understanding which foods boost your energy naturally and how to combine them in a way that supports both body and mind is crucial for men over 60 who want to maintain peak performance. Proteins are the foundation of strength and energy at this stage of life. Lean meats, fish, eggs, legumes, and dairy products provide the amino acids necessary to preserve muscle mass, repair tissues, and support immune function. Muscle is a key energy reservoir, And maintaining it ensures that everyday activities require less effort while boosting overall vitality. Incorporating high-quality protein into each meal helps prevent the gradual loss of strength that accompanies aging. Healthy fats, often misunderstood, are equally essential. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish, flax seeds, walnuts, and olive oil play a critical role in reducing inflammation, supporting brain health, and stabilizing energy levels. These fats are a concentrated source of energy and help maintain hormonal balance, which is crucial for men over 60. Saturated fats should be limited, but the right fats fuel your cells, protect your heart, and enhance overall endurance. Carbohydrates are the body's primary energy source, but the type and timing matter immensely. Complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains, vegetables, and fruits, provide sustained energy without causing blood sugar spikes and crashes. These foods are rich in fiber, which supports digestion, regulates blood sugar, and prolongs energy release throughout the day. Simple sugars, processed snacks, and refined grains, on the other hand, may offer quick energy but leave you feeling drained and sluggish shortly after consumption. Hydration is another cornerstone of energy and vitality. As we age, the sensation of thirst diminishes, which means dehydration can occur even when you do not feel thirsty. Water is essential for cellular function, circulation, and nutrient transport. Incorporating herbal teas, infused water, or water-rich fruits like cucumbers and watermelon can further support hydration while providing natural vitamins and antioxidants. Micronutrients, vitamins, and minerals play a subtle yet critical role in maintaining energy. Magnesium supports